Hello and welcome to CloudFox Hub. My name is Bhavesh Adara. In this video, we are going to talk about Amazon Kinesis services and Kinesis data stream. Let's start. As always, I'm going to start with introduction. Amazon Kinesis is a family of AWS services used to collect, process, and analyze real-time streaming data at any scale. It includes Amazon Kinesis data streams, Amazon data firehose, Amazon managed service for Apache Flink. If you look at over here, we have three services. So what we can say that Amazon Kinesis services is actually umbrella, which includes these three services. We will concentrate on data stream right now. Once we will complete this, we will also talk about data firehose and Apache Flink. Amazon Kinesis data stream is used to collect and store data stream in real time. So basically data stream is used to collect and store data. If I am going to talk about data firehose, it is used to process and deliver data, and Apache Flink is used to process and analyze streaming data. Now don't worry about these two. We will discuss about it later. Right now we are going to discuss about Kinesis data streams. Now what is Kinesis data streams? I am going to provide you one live example so you will get better understanding about it. I am going to start with introduction first. Kinesis data streams works like a live data pipeline. Data keeps coming from the different sources like apps, websites, logs, and devices. Kinesis data stream stores this data temporarily so consumer application can read and process it in real time. Now, I'm going to explain you this simple process using one Uber example so you will get better understanding about it. Booking an Uber cab. Imagine you open Uber app and tap book ride. In the app, you can clearly see many things happening live. First, user searches for nearby drivers. Then one driver gets assigned to ride. You can see driver's name, car number, and rating. You can see driver's car moving on the map. And many more things happens in real time. We are always using Uber and Ola, so you know about it, like what is actually happening when we are booking ride. And everything is actually happening live or a real time. So behind the scene, Uber needs system that can continuously collect.
Thanks for watching. To continue learning AWS with structured lessons, real labs, practice tests, and live sessions with Bhavesh Atara, join our full course at www.cloudfolkshub.com. For any help, call 982-575-7737. All course details are provided in the description.